Yeah.
And then these are the
new ones?
The new ones.
Alrighty. Let's get them programmed.
Mm-hmm.
I was doing a Ford last night, and with this machine that I normally do Fords with, it wouldn't do it like add a key. It wouldn't do it like add a key without a working key.
Oh, really?
I'm wondering if they had an update on the machine or something.
Oh,
So.
man. Yeah, because they're giving instructions to do it yourself, but you had to have 2 working files.
Yeah. Right. I may have to erase the one that's lost because it may only take up to 4.
Yeah, I'll never get it back.
Never gonna get it back?
It flew off I put it on the back of my truck and drove away.
Yeah.
So I'll never get it back.
That's usually how it happens. Do you know your door code?
I don't.
You don't? Okay, I'll get that for you too. You have the owner's manual?
Yeah, it should be in there.
It might be written on it.
Yeah, so that fob kind of goes in and out sometimes.
Oh, really?
I have to go put shoes on.
Oh, yeah, go. Alright, let's try to find her programming slot. It's probably right under this cup holder. Nice if I can get it out. Tiny little tab right there. So there is a slot right here. Sometimes you'll find 2. We're gonna start with that one. And let's see what's going on. So she has a working key, so I could just read her VIN. Let's turn the AC off. Don't want to kill her battery. Okay. Smart key. I don't know if I need the Wi-Fi, but I'll put it on anyway.
Hey, how's it going? Oh yeah, I'll get her shoes on. She'll come right over and help lift the heavy stuff.
Security access denied. What the frick? Just trying to get the door code. Odd. Okay, we can read the amount of keys in the memory. Turn this off. Okay. Alarm is not active. What's up with this car? Original key in the vehicle, start the vehicle.
Thank you for calling Autel US. Please listen carefully as our menu options may have changed. To register a new product or for information on product updates, press 1. For purchase orders or price and availability, press 2. For technical support, press 3. For ADAS, tools or frames, press 5. For MaxiSys tools, press 1. For TPMS products, press 2. For DIY products and code readers, press 3. For commercial or heavy-duty vehicle scan tools, press 4. For ADAS, tools or frames, press 5. For key programming at Immobilite, all of our agents are currently assisting other customers. Please stay on the line. If you require remote assistance, please make sure your tool is connected to the internet. Please have your model number and serial number available. For more information about our products, please visit Autel.com or check out Autel's YouTube channel at youtube.com/Autel Tools to review our latest promotions and training videos.
Maybe she wants me to turn the car on.
You are currently waiting in the MaxiSys queue.
Car's on. Run some AC while it's on.
We apologize, but we may be experiencing higher than normal call volumes. Your call is very important to us. Please continue to hold, and your call will be answered in the order it was received.
Okay. I'm gonna take this baby inside.
Oh, I can let you know when it's done. I didn't realize we were still out here. I'm sorry. It's doing something now. 2 key wiring. Okay. Okay, that one's done. Next key, yes. With the car running, guys, it's programming.
We apologize, but we may
I just want to know if the update prevents you from doing all keys lost now.
Your call is very important to us. Please continue to hold, and your call will be answered in the
That one's
order it was
done.
received.
Uh-oh, too many keys.
You are currently waiting in the MaxiSys queue.
No, we want to do erase keys. Erase smart key, let's see. Original key and start the vehicle.
Hello, thank you for waiting. If you would like a call back, please press 2. Or you can wait for the next available representative.
Okay.
All of our agents are currently assisting other customers. Please stay on the line. If you require remote assistance, please make sure your tool is connected to the internet. Please have your model number and serial number
10
available.
minutes again.
For more
there
information
we
about
go.
our products, please visit Autel.com or check out Autel's YouTube channel at youtube.com/Autel Tools to review our
Okay.
latest promotion and training videos.
All keys are erased. The max is 4 on this car, guys. Okay, hers is back in. Next one, yes.
You are currently waiting in the MaxiSys queue.
Once you hear those locks cycle, you know it took the key. I can hear it. I'm probably guessing on the camera you can too. Actually, you can see them cycle. There you go.
We apologize, but we may be experiencing higher than normal call volumes. Your call is very important to us. Please continue to hold, and your call will be answered in the order it was received.
Try it for a second. Well, I don't really need to speak to them anymore, but
You are currently waiting in the MaxiSys queue.
Hope you guys enjoyed that music. Well, still want to ask them about all keys lost, so. Might as well just wait it out. Oh shit, I don't know about that. Okay. Alright, we're gonna cut the door key. She has one. Should make sure it works. Works fine. Oh, let's read it. Looks like I read it right, but either way, we want to see a key code up here. And we have a key code, so you can see it in big if you want. If I read it wrong, like if you put that one as a 2, it's going to say no code found. And then you know you probably read it wrong unless someone changed something. So, anyway, all right, let's get these keys. Just going to pair it in my bag. Yeah, all right. I'll call you in 5 minutes, okay? Okay, cool. Okay. Let's flip it. All right, let's go check it, and then we'll cut the other 2. Yard sale?
Yeah, it's too bulky to throw in the garbage can. Maybe someone will want it.
All right, guys, if you're in, maybe I have to go YouTube live.